안녕하세요 여러분. 한글 교수님입니다. 한국어를 같이 공부하자. Hi everyone, this is 한글 교수님. Let's learn Korean together. Welcome back to my channel once again. Previously, we have learned about the double consonants and we have done the IME or the intensive memorization exercises. Before we proceed, let us recall the double consonants for 3 times. Are you ready? Let's get started. Ka, ta, pa, sa, ta, ka, ta, pa, sa, ta, ka, ta, pa, sa, ta. Do you still remember that I mentioned about the game we will be doing right now? We will have another game to recall what we have learned in this second part of the chapter, the double consonants. This is going to be the first time for us to do this, another game. The game we will have is called LOR game. LOR means left or right. The LOR game has 4 levels, but there is no specific color that represents each level. In each item, there will be 2 set of answers or translations that will be shown to you. Then, you must choose which has the right answer. It's either left or right. Go for it. You may answer within 10 seconds in level 1 and level 2, 15 seconds in level 3 and level 4. You have 2 options to answer. You may just say the answer or you may say and write the answer on your notebook. Then, after you answer all of the items, you may check your answers. Ready? And start. Level 1. Il, I, Sam, Sa, O. Level 2. Il, I, Sam, Sa, O. Level 3. Il. E. Sam. Sa. O. Level 4. Il. E. Sam. Sa. O. Well done! Answering all of the exercises may take a while, but you did a great job. Now, let's check your answers. Finally, we are done checking your answers. Go ahead and comment below your scores. Now that we are done with the double consonants, let's learn about the single vowels next time. So, you must stay updated. Feel free to retake the LOR game once again until you can get a perfect score. See you then! Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and be sure to have your bells on so you will be surely get updated for more upcoming chapters. Don't be shy to share to your friends. Sharing is caring. That's all of this video today. This is 한글 교수님. I'll be seeing you with your friends next time. 안녕히 계세요, 여러분.